pages and softwares out there. Done for you pages here, push button softwares there, blogging, content creation, launch jacking, you name it, you've probably seen it. But you know, at the end of the day, making money online really comes down to just one word: traffic. If you have got an endless supply of traffic to your offers, then regardless of whether you're a brilliant marketer or even a not really very good one, eventually you are going to start making money. You see, traffic is so important to making money online that it should never be treated just as an afterthought. It is the lifeblood of what we do in this industry. That's why I've spent most of the past year endlessly seeking out new sources of unending free buyer traffic. Hi, I'm Dawud Islam, and today, along with my launch partner Paul Talent, I'm back with my best traffic product yet: winter traffic. With this new release, you will get to place any URL of your choice in any niche on my brand new traffic rotator, with a completely new traffic source that I discovered at the start of 2022. Almost no one, and I mean no one, is using this source in internet and affiliate marketing, and the traffic is incredibly powerful. All you need is 60 seconds of your time to get set up. This brand new traffic rotator is currently sitting empty, so the first people to act fast and jump on winter traffic as soon as it's launched will enjoy up to 10 times the amount of traffic that people will get who join later. So you really need to take fast action on this one. Every day you leave it, you are literally leaving money on the table. But that's just half the story. Not only will you get your link placed on my brand new rotator, but you will also get to place it on all 5 of my traffic rotators launched in 2021 as well. That's right, your link on 6 different rotators for free daily traffic. Or you can place a different URL on each and every rotator. It's entirely up to you. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick up a copy of winter traffic right away. Make sure that your link is one of the first to be added to the brand new rotator. Step 2. Submit your URL in under 60 seconds. And step 3. Sit back and relax as you enjoy free daily traffic forever. But don't delay. If you come back later, you will pay more, and every day that passes will see more people ahead of you on our brand new rotator. So make this the moment that you solve all of your traffic problems in under a minute. Pick up winter traffic today, and we'll see you on the inside. Hello to all JVs. I hope you've had a great start to 2022. I'm back with my first traffic related release of the new year. I'm trying to bring out one of these traffic products at least every couple of months because they sell really well, and more importantly for you, they convert really well across the entire sales funnel. So with winter traffic, I've unveiled or discovered my first new traffic source of the year. It's a really good source, one that is hardly being used. I mean, but in our niche, make money online, virtually no one's using this traffic source, and it converts really well with cold traffic. The good thing with all these traffic related releases is that every time I add a new one, I always throw in into the mix a place on all the previous rotators as well, so they cumulatively get even better than the previous traffic release that I brought out. Everyone is getting even more of a bargain each time round. As usual, must stress that it's really important that people pick this up as early as possible in the launch period. You know, people picking it up day 1, day 2, day 3, they are going to get on that all important rotator before everyone else. And I'm not joking when I say, you know, this isn't sales hype. They will get 10 times the amount of traffic as people that come on later, yeah, because those early people will milk up the rotator. You know, people can get that jump on really early can get like 100 hits a day to their link, you know, whereas people that join later, you know, maybe get 3 or 4. Yeah, now obviously it's not going to stay at that level, but what I'm saying is that people that jump in right at the start are going to get a big traffic boost for a good few days because they're the first links on the rotator. We always put everything on strictly in order, so you know, even if it takes our admin a few days to put people on the rotator, they still go on in the order that they purchase, so everyone, you know, gets the benefit from jumping on early. So as I said, nothing not to like here, folks. Everything converts really well, very popular. The good thing about these, you know, at this price point, because it's forever, never-ending traffic, it's almost impossible for anyone to lose with this, because whatever offer it is they're promoting, somewhere down the line from all these rotators, they are going to get a sale. So it's almost impossible for someone to pick this up unless they've got a really rubbish offer that they're promoting and not get a benefit from it. So it's a good solid product, it's a popular product, it really is a 60-second product. So all they have to do is whack a link over to us. It ticks all the boxes. Hope it ticks your box and that we can see you on this one for the 2nd of February. Hit me on my student launch partner Paul Talent up for anything else that you need.